I think a big part of the role that we play and that I play as manager is to help create really great design consistency, user experience consistency across all three system cards. I think we're one of those few teams that's kind of positioned like right in the middle of everything and sort of serves as a synthesis function.
To give you an example, a bit more particularly on the console, one of the big aspects that we worked on is the ergonomics and giving the ability to surgeons to sit in the most optimal position as possible. And that is through the range of motion that we've achieved with the viewer, which is a more compact viewer that allows for more positions, but also to work on the ability for surgeons to make micro adjustments easily throughout the surgery.
We're looking for ways to take all these different needs and kind of forge them into a solution that, looks great, but more importantly, performs and meets all these different competing requirements. Hopefully it comes across as intuitive, both literally and figuratively.
What we're working on now is likely going to be used in the future on our friends, on our family, or even ourselves to perform surgery.
We are designers at a company called Intuitive. And when we think about that, it's all about making the intuitive experiences. And so if we do our job well, we make surgical robots easy to use. And inherently they're complicated, but you won't be able to tell the complexity that's behind the design.
For me, I really enjoy the design process. I think it's incredible to hear about the user need and then take that into design explorations. We are adding a menu that the surgeon could actually access, which supports the pillar of surgeon autonomy. We think that the menu will provide a lot of great features for the surgeon so that they can work efficiently and quickly.
I think when I started Intuitive, my daughter was 2, now she's 8. And so I felt like I've raised 2 children in this process.
We are just 2 designers out of many designers, and I hope that we're able to speak on behalf of them because they have done some amazing, incredible work.
It's great to go into an operating room and observe the teams who use our products and just really see that what we're building is a tool for them to put in their hands. And they're so dedicated, and it's really inspiring to put patients and also the surgical teams first and make something that I hope and have seen that they're really going to enjoy.
During my time here, I have been meeting with people that use our products, including surgeons, OR staff, and sterile processing technicians that work with our system, instruments, and accessories. I then collect all this information and provide it back to my team so that we can better improve our product. And our goal is to mitigate risks and improve our user experience.
Over the development with Da Vinci 5, we've had over 55 customer engagements and around 900 or so customers giving us valuable insights on the system for the development of it. Patients first always, that's something that our entire team really tries to keep in mind anytime we're working with our partners or our end users of the product with Da Vinci 5. We're just really excited that we can bring this to the world.
Welcome to the simulated OR room. In this room, we bring our surgeons and OR staff to see and watch and observe how they use our products, such as this surgeon console and this vision cart. In this room, we try to create a simulated environment.
Welcome to our observation room. Here we have our one-way mirror. This allows us to observe our participants and be out of the way as they're conducting their studies. And we employ a variety of technology in this space, which allows us to gather insights from those users when they come in. Tiffany will highlight some of those technologies now.
To collect detailed information about how they use our product, we have cameras positioned on the ceilings and on the walls where we can zoom in and pan around. And that is a gist of what we do at Human Factors and User Research.